Wait, is it actually possible to use Google Veo 3 for free with no credit card? And even if it's blocked in your country?
Yes, and not only is it possible, but I'm about to show you exactly how. In this video, we'll unlock Veo 3 completely free, with no restrictions, and I'll also share a secret browser hack that makes it work in every country. Plus, Flow is giving away 100 free credits to new users, so stick till the end.
Google Veo 3 is one of the most powerful AI tools in 2025. But here's the catch. It's not available everywhere. Many users face geo restrictions, errors, or get blocked while signing up. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the working method, step by step.
First, head over to Flow. This is the platform that allows you to access Veo 3. When you sign up as a new user, Flow automatically gives you 100 free credits, which means you can immediately start using Veo 3 without spending a single dollar.
Now, here's where most people get stuck. Veo 3 isn't available in all regions. If you're outside supported countries, you simply can't access it. And that's where our secret browser hack comes in. To bypass restrictions, we're going to use a tool called Go Login. This is a browser that lets you create secure digital identities and choose different locations so websites see you as if you're actually there.
Click on the plus icon and choose your location. Next, click Run. Now watch. Go Login gives us a trustworthy digital identity. Facebook, Amazon, TikTok, even Google Ads, all working properly. And here's the cool part. You can switch locations instantly. Let's move from the United States to the United Kingdom. Click Run again. And now our IP updates to the UK. 100% working. You can even invite team members. Just add their email, set their role in permissions, and hit Send Invite. Perfect if you're working with a group. And if you want privacy, security, and complete online freedom, Go Login is the tool you need. Try it free today. The link is in the description, and use my code FANO to get an exclusive discount. Now with Go Login running, Flow works perfectly. No matter where you are, just log in, redeem your 100 free credits, and you're inside Veo, free. From here, you can start generating unlimited AI videos instantly. So, that's it. You now know how to use Google Veo 3 for free, unlock it worldwide, and even boost your online privacy with Go Login. This method works in 2025, and you get 100 credits just for signing up. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment with what you'll create using Veo 3. And remember, if you want total privacy and security online, check out Go Login with the link below.